Atari April. Just in time for Atari April, I scored this. Sears Video Arcade 2. I've been looking for that, or waiting and hoping for it, for pretty much the whole time I've been collecting. Probably 10 years I've been waiting, and I just worked for a guy and did a trade deal, and this happened to be one of the things he had for me, so. This thing is great. Power off and on button, 4 controller inputs. Little lights on all the options. Fantastic. So, B, novice. Air Raid. Oh no. Well, let's see how it works. Well, I mean, I definitely had a disadvantage, so at least my score should count, I think. And there we have it, folks. Game 2.